Imagine actually getting paid for crushing it in your favorite games. I have been grinding Mecha lately, and my rewards are really stacking up. Check out this daily streak. And boom! You can cash out for PayPal or grab some epic gift cards from the shop.
Double.
I'm scared that same mad shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits coming on cap. I ain't gonna lay back, help me, ain't nobody like that.
Walk around casually.
I'll never get the throne back.
Throw a couple of disruptors out there.
I'ma go cause anything, can't stop this. I'ma still let me rain, call it shot. Hearing everyone complain when they tired. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change to a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live the same
You're mine. Oh, you're mine. Isn't it nice getting killed by another redox? Oh, hell no. Godlike. We're gonna do it, we're gonna do it. I'm invincible. Run 15. Yeah, boy. Seriously, you're not dead. Like freaking easy mode. 19. What are you shooting at? $22. Oh shit. Give me some of them extra kits. 24. Up to 24. 25. Oh, we're still alive. No. 26. 26 only.
One spawn 29 kills, disruptor 16 and 12 redox. High score was better though. Here are my redox shirts available at 808dragon.com. Just Games app pays me to play Mecha. I also do custom Mecha unofficial fan art shirt designs by request at 808dragon.com.